Today we're going to bring a cat litter box. Now this one, in case you have multiple cats or one cat, this is perfect. I'm going to actually, this is how it comes in compact, all right? So we're going to take it everything down. Look at that beautiful little mat that they give you. The assembly kit. More accessories in the middle. Part of the assembly kit. And then a stainless steel pan that you're able to pull out. Look at that. So wherever you're at, cat can go in and out. You don't have to worry about taking the whole entire thing. So we're going to put this together today. All right, this is a cat litter box that we have in here. And of course, it comes with the mat that you put up here in the mat. And it has a couple of entries. We have the main door, which I have it taped right now because my cat is like right here. She wants to use it right now, but I don't have any sand yet. And then you got the top part of it, right? I like that part, the enclosure. Right now, we're training her to use this one. So I put her favorite toys in here. And she's going to come in here slowly and see if you could... Like, we have a little mouse that you train her. Put the little mouse in here. And slowly she'll come in. All right, so if you guys are looking for a spacious area, easy with the mat is you can remove. And the tray, look at this. Easy tray comes out. So you could take it out and replace the sand. And one of my best things is that it comes with a scooper too. So this whole thing is easy to put back in here. And then you put the mat back so she could get in there. Now this door, the top door, I'm going to show you guys how I have it because I taped it up temporary. But you can always remove it and it closes up. Features this thing here in the back. Faces front and hangs in there. So she wants to come in right now, so we're ready with the scooper. So if a cat wants to come in here, come in through here, and then they could go up to the top if you want. You have this exit here on the top. And then if you worry about smells, there is some silica here, some charcoal to get rid of some of the smells in here. But they come out in the top, and they could come in the front or come on the front too. And this is the spot that she's going to go, and it keeps all the smell and everything inside the actual cat. Look at this beautiful design that it has. So plenty of features, plenty of exits for any cats, multiple cats, or one cat just like this one. So hope you guys enjoy the video.